As an e-commerce store owner, do you also wish to promote and advertise your products on different social media platforms? One of them is Facebook pages. But due to lack of time, you miss out sometimes promoting the products every time on your Facebook pages. So today I'm going to show you an amazing automation which will automate the entire process of promoting and advertising each of your new product or new product launch on your Facebook or any of the social media platforms, that too effortlessly within 5 minutes. So I own a fashion store where I digitally promote my products with the help of an e-commerce platform, that is Shopify. And I want every time I'm going to add a new product in my catalog, in my store, automatically a product launch post should be uploaded on my Facebook page that I'm running for my Facebook community. And that too with an interesting creative caption in order to promote my products and encourage sales. But every time if I'm going to find out what to write in my caption and then I'm going to manually upload the images along with the caption on my Facebook page, it is going to take a lot of time. And therefore, I'm going to use an amazing automation using Pabbly Connect. So let me show you a live example when I'm going to add a new product over here on my Shopify store. Blood red lehenga gown for wedding functions. This is the description of the product, and now I'm going to upload an image. Okay, I have added the price and now I'm going to save the product. So as soon as in my Shopify store I have added a new product in the catalog, I'm going to take you towards my Facebook page. And here we can see that automatically the post is created with the image. Here we have the caption, and from here we have the hyperlink as well. So directly the customers can go and purchase a product from my Shopify store. Okay, so this is the entire automation that we are going to create today, step by step, without any coding and without any programming skills, simply by connecting Shopify or any of the e-commerce store that you are using for your business. AI application, here I'm using OpenAI for that, and the Facebook pages. So in the similar manner, you can also create this amazing automation. But if you want to learn how to create it step by step, follow me till the end of the video. Let's get started quickly. So we are on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. After coming over here, we'll find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are an existing user like me, simply click on sign in to log into your accounts directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. Once you will do that, you will be able to create a free new account for Pabbly Connect, and it will also provide you 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software every month. And once you will find this software amazing and helpful for your business requirements, you can definitely upgrade your plans by using my coupon code SHRYT, and you will be receiving exclusive discounts at the time of checkout. Now, because I am already an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in, and we are on the all apps section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. For different automations, we have different products. If we want to automate entire WhatsApp, we have Pabbly Chatflow for that. In order to manage our subscription softwares, we have Pabbly subscription billings. And in the same manner, we have multiple amazing applications inside Pabbly. So if you want to use all of these applications at one place for different and multiple requirements of your business, you can also go for Pabbly Plus plan, for which as well my coupon code, which is given in the description and on the left side of the screen, will be working properly, and you will be receiving exclusive discount at the time of checkout. Okay, so now I'm going to go towards Pabbly Connect. Let's access now. And to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow option. This is a dashboard where we can save all the workflows after creating. Okay, so here we have multiple options. Either we can go and create step-by-step workflow from scratch, or we can also go for using a quick builder where we will simply describe what we want to connect, and Pabbly Connect is going to automatically create it for us. So let's go towards quick builder, and I want to connect my Shopify store with ChatGPT, that is OpenAI, and Facebook. So I'm going to simply enter a single line description over here. Connect Shopify V2 and OpenAI with Facebook pages. Now it is asking which Shopify V2 trigger should start this workflow. So what on the happening of which event you want the workflow to start. Every time a new product will be added in my Shopify store, I want this workflow to start and share that product automatically on Facebook pages. So here I'm going to add new product. Okay. Now here it is asking which Facebook page action would you like for post message. So I want to simply create a page post. So I will be selecting create page post. And now as we have instructed, it has created a template for us, Shopify V2, OpenAI and Facebook pages. And now I'm going to click on approve and create. As we have done that, the workflow is created. Let's open it and we got the template. Now we just have to build the connection between our applications and then our workflow will be completed successfully. So let's first of all go towards trigger, that is Shopify. As we have selected the app event, that means the event on the happening of which workflow is going to trigger, we have received the guidelines and the webhook URL in order to build the connection accordingly. So let's simply copy the webhook URL and we can read these instructions given over here to build this connection successfully. I will be showing you all the steps for this connection. So first of all, let's go towards our Shopify account. This is my Shopify admin account. After coming over here, we have to go towards settings from the left bottom corner. And here we have the option of notifications, which we have to select. After coming on notifications, here we have the last option, webhooks. Let's select it. And now we are going to create a new webhook. Okay, so let's click on this create webhook button. For what purpose you want to create this webhook for? So I want to create this webhook for product launch. That means whenever a new product will be added in my Shopify store, then the workflow should trigger. So we have selected the event. Then we will be providing the URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Here the format in which I want to capture the response is JSON, and then we will be selecting the latest version of webhook API. Now let's click on save. As we have done that, the webhook is added successfully. Let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. We will be clicking on recapture webhook response button as we have received a test response over here. And now as it is showing waiting for webhook response, let's do a test submission inside Shopify by adding a product over there so that the response could be captured. So I will be going back towards my Shopify account. We will go towards dashboard. And over here from the left side, here we have the option of products. Let's go towards all products. And here I'm going to add a new product. Dark blue Indo-Western dress. I have added a new dress in the catalog of my festive outfits. Now I will be providing the description for this product. This is the description. All the details are mentioned over here for the product. And now I'm going to upload the image. It is dark blue Indo-Western dress for wedding. Okay, after uploading the image, now I'm going to select the price over here. Let's say it is of 12,000. And now I'm going to simply save the product. As we have saved the product, as we have added the product in the list of all the products inside Shopify, let's go towards Pabbly Connect and you can see instantly the response is received. In the response, we have received all the details. First of all, here we can see the price of the product. When we'll scroll down, here we have other details, the title, the description and the image URL as well. By using these details, now we are going to create the post. But every time I'm going to create the post on my Facebook page, I also want to add a engaging and attracting caption over there. For that, I'm going to use OpenAI. You can also use any other AI application over here to generate your content. And in the app event, I have selected ChatGPT. Let's click on connect. To build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, you have to go towards add new connection. You have to log into your OpenAI account. Then you will be going towards OpenAI API key page where you can create the API key and provide the token over here. Once you will click on save, your connection will be successfully built. I will be using my existing connection only as I've already built the connection earlier. And now as the connection is built, we have to select the AI model. By using which model of ChatGPT you want to generate your content. So we have multiple models over here. According to the requirements, you can select any of the model. I will be selecting the latest one and the effective one, that is GPT-5 mini. Okay, now I'm going to enter the prompt. So here is my prompt. Generate a ready to upload Facebook page post caption for the newly launched Shopify product. Make the caption engaging and appealing to convert sales. Also do mention my contact details for order bookings. Here is my number. Do not use any extra symbols like these. So this is the basic prompt and the requirements that I have in order to get the correct caption as I want. Now, because I want every time a new product is launched and added in my Shopify store, automatically the captions for that product in the customized format should be generated without any manual work. So here in the place of product name and the description, I'm not going to enter the details manually, but I will be mapping it with my previous response that I've received. So when I'm going to enter slash over here in the product name, you can see that the previous response is visible. When I'm going to type title of the product, so here you can see that here we got the product name. I will be simply inserting this product name from the previous response and it has mapped. When we map the data, it becomes dynamic. That means automatically with every new response, it is going to replace. But in case if we will be entering it manually, it will become static and then it is not going to replace. So you can see the rest of the prompt I have entered manually. It has become static now, and every time a new product will be launched, the caption will be generated according to the same details I have mentioned, but the caption will be generated according to the different products by using the different product name from the response as well as the description. So in the similar manner, I will be mapping the description as well. So I've mapped the description, and now when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we can see that the response is received, and here we got the caption new arrival. Here we have the name of the product and the caption. Also, as mentioned in the prompt, here we have the contact number as well. Okay, now I want to create a post on my Facebook page using the details that I've received. So I will be connecting this Facebook page named as Fusion Nexus with Pabbly Connect. So we'll go back. Quickly, I'm going to go towards Facebook pages. Already the app event is selected as create page post. Let's click on connect to build the connection. Make sure that you're already logged into your Facebook page which you want to connect, and click on add new connection. Click on connect with Facebook pages. Quickly select your account to connect. And as you will do that, your connection will be successfully built. So here the page is to be selected. The name of my page is Fusion Nexus. I've selected it from the drop down. Then we have to provide the message, that means the caption of the post. I've received that already with AI response, so I will be mapping it. And the next is the image URL. So the image is also received. Here we have the image URL. Let's simply map it, and let's click on save and send test request button. We got the response over here. Along with it, we also received the Facebook page post ID. Now I'm going to take you towards my Facebook pages. We will quickly refresh the Facebook page, and here you can see that we got the post created along with the caption, and here we have the image. When I'm going to click on this image URL, we got the full image on the Shopify store. Okay, so this means our connection is built successfully, and now as we have built this connection, the automation is created. So it is set up properly. Every time now Shopify product will be added on my store, automatically the Facebook page will be promoting that product with the posts, and I do not have to do anything manually. Even I do not have to search the keywords, the captions, the hashtags, nothing. As instructions I have provided in my prompt, automatically the captions will be generated accordingly, and the image will also be shared, leading to more engagement, more conversions, and more sales. So I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business, not only with Shopify and Facebook, but you can build this kind of automation for any of your business. Even if you are using any other e-commerce platform in place of Shopify, you can connect that. Also, not only on Facebook pages, but you can connect multiple social media platforms like this to make the process of promoting and marketing your products easy on all the social media platforms you are on. Thank you for watching the video.